Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well and you have finished your assigned tasks. Students, in today's lesson we will learn about Cartesian coordinates. This topic is from your chapter number 6, Functions and Linear Graphs. And it's given on your page number 42 of your booklet. Open your booklets so you can understand the topic easily. Dear students, a rectangular or a Cartesian plane consists of two number lines. These two number lines, right? These two number lines are, you can see, are the perpendicular lines, and these two intersects each other at a right angle, and the point of intersection is known as origin and it's represented by capital letter O. Right? Students, the horizontal, this horizontal number line is called the x-axis. This vertical number line is called y-axis, right? And the x-axis is always positive on right hand side of origin, and it's negative on left hand side of origin. And y-axis, this vertical number line, is always positive above the x-axis and is negative below the y-axis, right? Students, each point in this plane is represented by an order pair. This is represented by an order pair like 2, 3, right? This is called an order pair, and you can obtain this point, and this point represents the distance from origin. This always represents the distance from origin. The first one number is always the x coordinate, and it represents horizontal distance from origin. The second point is called y coordinate, and it always represents vertical distance from origin, right? These two coordinates, the first one x coordinate and the second one y coordinate, both of these have their specific names. X coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called ordinate, right? And you cannot interchange these two coordinates. First one will always be an x coordinate and the second one will always be a y coordinate, right? Here you can see in the example. Let's see the example first and understand how I have plotted these points. The first point is 2, 3. First point is 2, 3. How I have plotted this point? 2 is the x coordinate. That means we have horizontal distance of 2 points. We have horizontal distance of 2 points, 1 and 2 points from the origin. Second is y coordinate, 3. That means it's vertical distance of 3 points from the origin. So in front of these two, distance of 2 and distance of 3 points from the origin, this is our point, that is 2, 3, and it's called the ordered pair of our first point, right? Now similarly, let's see our second point. Our second point is -3 and 1. As I have told you that the x-axis will be negative on our left hand side. So -3 is the x coordinate, so we will take the distance of 3 points on our left hand side. We will take the distance of 3 points on our left hand side. 1 is positive and 1 is y coordinate. So as it's positive, so we will take the distance above x-axis of 1 point, right? Above x-axis, and we will take the distance of 1 point above x-axis, right? So distance of 1 point and distance of 3 points on our left hand side, this will be our point B. This is our point B, and this was our point A, right? Now let's see the last point C of this example. In this you can see we have both negative points. So as I have told you that x will be negative on the left hand side of the origin and y will be negative below the x-axis, right? So we will take these 2 points in this area. Now x coordinate is 1.5. 1 point means 1.5, right? -1.5. So we will take the distance of 1.5 points on our left hand side. Then y coordinate is -2.5. So we will take the distance of 2.5 points below the x-axis, 1 and 2.5. And in front of these two distances there is our point C. Understood? Hope you have understood the example. In the next video we will solve an example and try to understand the topic more easily. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.